It's Meg from the Westchester Public Library in Westchester, Pennsylvania, and today we're going to make a nature bracelet with tape. I have duct tape here, but you can use any type of tape that you have at your home. It works with masking tape or packing tape. It probably would even work with Scotch tape. I didn't try Scotch tape. It's not quite as sticky as the other tapes, but I'm sure it would work. And what you want to do is wrap the tape around your wrist like a bracelet. But you want to have the sticky side of the tape facing out. This is a little tricky to do yourself. You might want to ask somebody to give you a hand when you make yours. So see, now I have this sticky piece of tape making a very sticky bracelet all around my wrist. And I'm going to see what I can find to make it look colorful. Let's look around the yard. Oh, look! Here's a dandelion. Dandelions will look really nice on the bracelet. In fact, I see another one over here. And here's another one over here. All right, that looks good. What else can I find? Ooh, look at these little tiny blue flowers. Let me show you. Can you see those? I'm going to stick the blue flowers right here on my bracelet. What's over here in the grass? Huh. This is different looking. Here's some leaves. And, oh, this looks like tickly grass. And what about this fuzzy dandelion here? Now, one thing that I probably don't have to tell you is if you find anything alive, like an insect, don't stick it to your bracelet. They're not going to like that. Oh, I have an idea of something else that might stick. I found some little rocks. We'll put them on my bracelet too. So now look at my bracelet. It's covered with all sorts of things that I found outside in nature. I wonder what you'll find to put on your bracelet. Well, have fun outside and have a great day. Bye.